According to the report, iPhone 12 cost is 84,900 rupees, but the making cost of iPhone is 31,700 rupees. Apple's new 128 GB iPhone 12 variant that sells for 84,900 in India. The company costs $431, which means 31,700 to make it, according to the Counterpoint Bills material analysis. The shift from LCD to OLED in the iPhone 12 is a big jump, resulting in an over of $23 cost increase. Cost increases are also driven by 5G related components. According to the reports, Apple and Hyundai to sign a electronic vehicle deal by March and start production by 2024. Apple and Hyundai Motor plan to sign a partnership deal on autonomous electric vehicles by March and start production as soon as 2024 in US. Korea IT News reported. The companies also plan to introduce a beta version of Apple cars next year, the reports added. Earlier, Hyundai confirmed it was in talks with Apple before reacting to the statement. TCS becomes second Indian firm to hit rupees 12 lakh crores market cap. Tata Consultancy Services on Monday becomes the second Indian company to hit 12 lakh crores in market capitalization after its shares surged to a 52-week high of 3,230 rupees. The shares surged on the back of TCS' strongest December quarter growth in 9 years. TCS reported a 7% year-on-year increase in the net profit for October-December period at 8,701 crore. According to the record, Apple earns record rupees 4.7 lakh crores from App Store in the pandemic hit 2020. Apple made a record of 4.7 lakh crores, which is $64 billion in revenue from its App Store in 2020, according to CNBC. This makes a 28% increase from estimate $50 billion it generates from the App Store in 2019. In comparison of App Store revenue estimated increased between 2018 and 19 was only 3.1% as per CNBC's analysis. Amazon to remove QAnon products from store post US Capitol riot. Amazon has announced that it will remove some QAnon products from its online marketplace under policies that prohibit offensive items or inappropriate content. It had earlier been questioned over having approval with QAnon insignia and related books for sale day after US Capitol riot. Earlier, Amazon removed Parler from AWS for its alleged role in the riot. That was Tech News episode 1. Guys, do subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and keep watching our videos. Share your views in the comment section.